Do you know what the shortest sentence containing all the letters of English alphabet is? The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, right? No. Alcohol lovers have found another shortest sentence, which is pack my box with 5 dozen liquor jugs. And another fun fact, beer recipe is said to be the oldest known recipe of the world. But before we get too excited, do you know what goes on behind the scenes in our body?
When alcohol is introduced in our blood, as it is CNS depressant, it suppresses excitatory neurotransmitter in CNS like glutamates and increases the flow of GABA, which is inhibitory neurotransmitter. So we less perceive things around us and feel very calm. But peripherally in liver, due to metabolism of alcohol, it is converted to acetaldehyde, then to acetic acid by dehydrogenase enzymes. So this results in lipid biosynthesis or fat synthesis as a consequence to increase in the NADH plus concentration by alcohol metabolism. The micro and macrovesicular fat deposition in liver, otherwise known as steatosis, ultimately result in cirrhosis. By the way, 10 to 15% of alcoholic develop cirrhosis. Acetaldehyde increased due to lesser availability of glutathione, which is detoxifying helper, and acetaldehyde is more toxic than alcohol itself, damaging cell membranes and cell cytoskeleton. 80 grams of alcohol daily, equivalent to 6 beers, develop reversible hepatic steatosis. 160 grams of alcohol daily leads to severe injury. Studies show females are more susceptible to liver damage than males because estrogen levels in women increase the absorption of endotoxin from gut, but majority of the patients are male. Clinical symptoms include loss of weight, decrease in appetite, abdominal discomfort, and swelling of the liver.
So as long as we are keeping a tab on our alcohol consumption, we'll be straight.